How to create Steam account on mobile. So if you want to create Steam account on mobile, then first you need to go for your Play Store or your App Store and you need to install the Steam application. So make sure to install it, and once you install, you need to tap on open up your Steam. Once you open your Steam, now you will have this kind of interface, right? So once you have this kind of interface, you need to go for don't have a Steam account. Tap on it and it will take you to your browser where it will take you to create an account page. Once you're here on the create account page, you need to enter your email address on the first blank and then confirm your email address, enter the country of residence and verify. Tap on I'm not a robot and then tap on I'm 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms of conditions and tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, now you will get an email on your Gmail account which you have just entered. So you just need to go for your mail which you have just entered, or you can simply go with your notification. Tap on your notification and it will take you to your mail. And now tap on verify my email address. And once you're here, you need to go for the link which is on the upper side of your screen. And once you tap on it, your email will be verified. Now you may safely close this window. And now it will take you to this kind of page where you need to create a new Steam account name and then you need to create a password and simply tap on sign in and your account will be created. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.